Okay, here's a little explanation to help you out with your homework. We're on page 368 to 370, and here are your problems. Okay? You can pause and write that down if you need to. For 3 through 4, or 3 and 4, you just plug in the ordered pair x and y into the inequality and solve it. If it's true, you have a solution. If it's false, it is not a solution. 5, 6, and 15, you can. I want you to use your graph paper, or find some graph paper if you weren't in class today, and then go ahead and shade. You can look at example 2 in your textbook and catch up on your notes. If you're not in class today, I have typed up notes for you. Finally, for number 17, I'm going to have you graph that one as well, but you need to put it into slope-intercept form first, which means to solve for y. Okay? 60 and 62 are review. Go ahead and look at your lesson 6.3. They're elimination. And for 60, you're going to use addition. It's pretty easy. For 61, you're going to switch the signs of the bottom equation by distributing a negative sign. Then you can add. And then finally for 62, you multiply first. Let's show you what that kind of looks like. Okay, here I have two inequalities, but I don't have two coefficients that I can eliminate. But I can create one by multiplying first. Now, if I wanted to, I could turn these into a 10 first, but then I'm multiplying twice. So let's take a look at this right here. If I can turn this coefficient into maybe a 4, then I have something I can work with. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute a positive 4. And I'm going to multiply 4 times 5, 20x. Actually, why don't we multiply by a negative? Because then I have a plus 4y here. And then 36 times a negative 4 is 12, 13, 14. 100 minus 144. So we wrote an equivalent equation here. I'm going to bring, check this out. So now we're able to bring this equation down. We're going to add everything, and you get a negative 18x. This cancels out, and that equals 144 minus 18 is 126, or a negative 126. See if that will divide evenly over here, and then you have your solution set. Okay? So at least you'll have your x value, then you could work from there.